I just got done washing this thing. Dude, it looks so good. Look at how good she looks. Do a little walk around. Looks mint. And then, don't worry about this. I have it somewhere. I just cleaned it, so yeah, to make it look good. So, but man, this thing's mint. Ready to be in its hibernation for winter, I'll say. So yeah, you should see the upcoming videos of me cleaning it. They're time-lapse videos, and yeah. That's really about it. Just want to come out here for a second and just show you how clean the bike looks afterwards, and yep, goodbye.